If you're looking to renovate your home and want a software that makes the whole process simpler, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll dive into CoConstruct for renovation projects, covering everything you need to know to manage your renovation efficiently, stay within budget, and deliver a finished project you're proud of. First off, CoConstruct is designed to streamline every step of the renovation process, from initial planning to finalizing payments. Whether you're a contractor or homeowner, this platform gives you the tools to collaborate, track progress, and make data-driven decisions along the way. Next thing, project management. With CoConstruct, you can easily create detailed project timelines, assign tasks, and track progress in real time. This software helps you visualize every step, so you never miss a deadline or a detail. You'll stay on top of each task and know exactly where things stand at all times. The third thing, budget tracking. Renovations are notorious for going over budget, but CoConstruct provides a simple way to track costs and manage your budget. You can enter expenses, track change orders, and ensure you're staying within your financial limits. It even lets you compare your current spending with initial estimates, so there are no surprises. The fourth thing, client collaboration. Whether you're a contractor or homeowner, CoConstruct allows you to involve your clients at every step. They can review progress, approve or request changes, and communicate directly with you through the platform. This keeps everyone on the same page and ensures smoother communication throughout the renovation. Next, scheduling and subcontractor management. CoConstruct allows you to manage your subcontractors by assigning them tasks, setting deadlines, and keeping them updated with project changes. No more back and forth emails or missed deadlines. Everything is organized in one place. The sixth thing, document storage. Renovations require a lot of paperwork, contracts, designs, invoices, and permits. CoConstruct's easy document management system lets you store everything securely in one place. You can easily upload and share documents with your team or clients without worrying about lost files or confusion. Next up, customer support. With CoConstruct, you're not left to figure things out on your own. The platform offers excellent customer support to help you navigate any issues, whether it's a technical question or assistance with using certain features. Now, here's why you need to stick around. We have an exclusive free trial of CoConstruct available through the link in the description. You can explore the platform and all its features for free, giving you a real taste of how it can transform your renovation projects. This trial even includes some special bonuses, so you'll want to take advantage of that. To wrap up, CoConstruct for renovation projects isn't just about keeping things organized. It's a tool that ensures you're on top of your project's timeline, budget, and communication every step of the way. With an exclusive extended free trial linked below, you'll be able to test it out for yourself and see just how efficient it can make your next renovation. Click the link below to get started today and take advantage of that bonus.